Hello everyone, I am Srineja Munkutla, a cybersecurity professional with nearly 2 years of experience, having worked as CT analyst and currently working as DLP analyst. I would like to sincerely thank Hacker School for giving me this opportunity to express my gratitude towards the institute that has helped me shape my career in this particular field. My journey with Hacker School has started since 2023, where I have enrolled myself into CEH certification course under the guidance of Vikas sir. I would truly say that this institute was very approachable and welcoming since the very beginning, and the trainers and mentors were very supportive, encouraging and patient towards the students at all the time. The most valuable skill I have learned from this institute was continuous learning, especially when it comes to upskilling yourself. And Hacker School has always taught me that learning has no boundaries. So the hands-on labs and the real-time scenarios and the CTF challenges have also helped me gain practical knowledge, and it's a very good opportunity for the students who study here as well when it comes to acquiring real-world practical knowledge and all. So their interview training and career guidance were also very helpful for me to build a strong foundation when it comes to where I stand on today. I truly appreciate the way of teaching and the patience the trainers used to carry during the classes especially when it comes to explaining the complex concepts into simpler terms. And I used to truly enjoy when it comes to interacting with the students from different batches and courses. And especially when we were having CTF challenges among ourselves, which was very engaging experience from my point of view. And I would say that I'm truly grateful that having a strong student and mentor relationship here, which has built me trust, confidence, and sense of belonging here. So I would like to end here saying that I'm really thankful to Hacker School, especially Vikas sir and Parmesh sir, who truly guided me into the right path and are also being my constant support pillars even till today. Thank you so much.